Let me ask you something. Why do you feel tired? Even on days when you didn't do that much? You wake up with some energy. Then, somehow by afternoon, it's gone. And at night, when you finally sit down to study or work, your brain says, nope. So you blame yourself. You think you're lazy, undisciplined, unmotivated. But here's the truth most students never hear. You don't have an effort problem. You have an energy problem. And most people waste their best energy every single day without realizing it. We're taught productivity is about doing more. Wake up earlier, work longer, push harder. But your brain doesn't work on hustle. It works on energy cycles. Think about it. Have you ever noticed you can focus deeply at some times and feel completely useless at others? That's not weakness. That's biology. Productivity isn't about how long you work. It's about when you work. Once you understand that, everything changes. For most students, your best mental energy happens in the first few hours after waking up, not because you're motivated, but because your brain is fresh. No decision fatigue yet. No information overload yet. And what do most people do with this energy? They give it away. They grab their phone, scroll messages, watch videos, react to other people's problems. By the time they sit down to do something important, their best energy is already gone. Quick fix, starting tomorrow. First 60-90 minutes equals no phone. Do one important task first. Studying, writing, problem solving, whatever needs focus. Even 30 focused minutes here is worth more than 3 tired hours at night. This is how disciplined people get ahead without burning out. Okay, but what about the rest of the day? This is where most students crash. Afternoons aren't for deep thinking. They're for lighter work. But most students fight this. They try to force focus, get frustrated, lose confidence. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain is tired from switching tasks, checking your phone, making small decisions all day. That's called decision fatigue. What to do instead? Use afternoons for reviewing notes. Organizing tasks. Easy assignments. Admin work. Work in short blocks. 25 minutes on. 5 minutes off. And here's the secret weapon. Move your body. A short walk. Stretching. Standing up. Movement sends oxygen to your brain. It's free energy. If you've been feeling tired and behind, it's not because you're failing. You've just been using your energy against yourself, and that's fixable. Most people think nights are for productivity. They're not. Evenings are for recovery and preparation. If you overload your brain at night, scrolling, stress, unfinished thoughts, you borrow energy from tomorrow. That's why you wake up foggy. Simple evening reset. Write down, what you did today. What's on your mind. One task for tomorrow. That's it. No perfect routine. No long journaling. You're telling your brain, you don't need to hold this anymore. Sleep improves. Morning focus improves. Life feels lighter. Here's the rule disciplined people live by. Protect your best energy for your best tasks. Not your phone. Not random distractions. Not stress. You don't need more motivation. You need better energy placement. When energy goes first, motivation follows. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Morning, one important task. Afternoon, light work plus movement. Evening, calm down, prepare tomorrow. That's it. Simple, realistic, sustainable. You don't need to change your whole life. You just need to stop wasting your best energy. Start small. Protect 1 hour tomorrow morning and see how different it feels. If this helped you understand yourself better, hit like. Subscribe if you want simple, honest advice for student life. Share this with someone who's always tired. You're not lazy. You're learning how to work with your brain. And that's how real progress starts.